Okay, grab Gugaru. Grab Gugaru. Okay, so what are we doing today, you guys?
We're going to Malibu Grand Prix, right, Gugaru? Come on, Gugaru. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
All right, you're going to Malibu Grand Prix, and then what else are we doing?
Then after that, we're going to have lunch. After that, we're going out. No.
Like Gugaru. And then after that?
We're going to go. Oh, I forgot my lines.
No, you never know lines. We're going to go to my house, and you guys can play video
games. We're going to go
games.
to your house and play video games. You're going to go to yoga. And then after that, we're going bowling and skating. And then after that,
let Gugaru go.
Stop, let her go.
Yeah.
And then after that, we're gonna go. No. We're gonna go to dinner, and then after that, we're gonna come back to Palo.
Did you say bowling?
Yeah, I did.
Yes, bowling. And what were you supposed? And what were you supposed to do today?
Go to school.
And then what did Panos do?
Skip it.
Skip it. Was he skip it? Yeah, skip the school. Skip the school. Hit me 5 to skip the school.
It's kind of bad, but okay.
No, give me 5 to skip the school.
I hope not one of my teachers will find this video.
Yeah, we're gonna put this video on YouTube. We're gonna put the video on YouTube.
It wasn't me. This is not Sotiri.
Isabella, now go to the dance.
It's not.
Okay, Isabella, now go do your dance. Go.
That looks like Sotiri. This is a person that looks like Isabella. My name's James.
Okay, your name is James?
Jamie.
Okay, so can you ask your question? Isabella?
I'm doing Jamie.
Jamie, do the dance.
What dance? This is disgusting. Get off me, Jamie. Jamie, get off me.
And why do you guys have energy right now?
Huh?
Because you had a big breakfast?
Yeah.
All right, so say goodbye to your mom and dad.
Bye.